Hey, what's up guys? It's Flex and welcome back. So a few months ago, I installed a wireless charger in the Mercedes C300 and I'm really happy with it. It's really convenient. But in today's video, I want to do the same exact thing for my Audi A4 S-Line. And I want to do that because right now I have a USB wire coming out of my center armrest and it's just in the way. It gets caught up a lot, especially when I'm moving my seat forward and back. It's just really inconvenient. The wireless charger is just going to look so much cleaner, and also I can easily access my phone right in front of me. And this has got to be one of the easiest upgrades to do on this car. And I want to thank DMP Car Design for sponsoring this video and providing me with the product. And if you want more information on the product in this video, use a link in the description below. Now let me show you the product and then we'll get to the install. Here's the wireless charging pad. Right here is where the phone sits to charge. There's also some rubber strips to keep the phone in place while the car is moving. There's some air vents to keep the phone cool while it's charging. There's also a USB port and some charging lights. And the really cool thing is this is plug and play. So it plugs right into the cigarette lighter and that's it. So let's go ahead and get this installed. I'm going to start by opening this cover so I have access to the cigarette lighter hole. I'm just going to plug this in. And then once that's fully in, I can slide this over the opening and the install is done. And it looks really nice. It looks almost like it's OEM. So now let's go ahead and test it out. So in order to turn on the wireless charger, all I need to do is turn on the car and it should power up. Now I can place my phone on the charging pad and it should charge right up. And there you go. And I don't need to worry about the phone slipping off because it has those rubber strips on the bottom. It's nice and secured. So I can also use the USB port if I want, but to turn it off, all I need to do is just turn off the car and it will power down. And you see it's no longer charging. And if I power the car back on, it should start charging. That's it. Pretty easy to install. Well, there you have it, another easy install from DMP Car Design. I hope you guys liked the video. If you do, hit like below. As always, make sure you subscribe, and I will see you next time.